In this video, I will tell you how to select a specific number of rows or a specific number of columns using pandas, because sometimes we want to use like a specific amount of data, suppose 5 row, 3 row or 2 columns, 7 column, just like so we need to learn how we can select a specific amount of data using pandas. So firstly, we need to import pandas as PD. Now, second thing is that we need to load the data set. So pd dot read underscore csv, and then I have so many csv files there. So I can select one csv. Then we need to put in a df variable. Now, suppose you want to access like df. Df is our whole data set. So suppose we want to select a specific amount of rows. So you need to use df.iloc, index location. Okay, so you need to pass the starting index. Suppose if you want to access the one row, so you can enter, suppose I have entered 23, so it can select one row where price, area, each and everything is there. Now if you want to select multiple rows, so you can write df of, like suppose you can access the second row to fifth row, but five, yeah, fifth row does not include, so 2 to 4 data. So oh, sorry, I could not write iloc. So now df dot iloc 2 to 5. Okay, so where actually it's giving 2 and 5, so I can pass like use column, not comma, so it can access the data 2, 3 and 4. Suppose now next thing is there, so df dot ilog. If you want to access like data, suppose 23 to 50, so it can give you the data from 23 to 50. But if you want to data in jumps, suppose data should be even numbers, so data should be odd numbers, data access data from 23 to 50 of 3 jumps, so you can pass like that. So data should be 23, 26, 29, 32. So these type of things will happen. Now second thing is there, if you want to access a specific amount of columns, suppose it have 40 columns, but if you want to access like 5 columns, starting 2 columns, 3 columns, so you can also df of. Now if you write there, like suppose you can write 2 and using comma, or you can write 4. If you run, then 2 and 4, so what is the going there, key error. So actually 2, sorry, df dot ilog. So actually I am forward to write it 0. So 0, why it is giving 0. So if you see the df have like second, so 0, 1, 2, then you can enter the 4, so fourth column, so 1, 2, sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 0 is the answer. Like df dot ilog, then after like you have entered 2 to 5 comma 7, so it give you the 2 to 5. 2 to 5 means, suppose again if I am writing df, so 2 to 5 means 2, 3, 4, and fifth 5, then seventh column, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these 3 is your answer, 1, 0, 1. So this type of things will happen. If you want to access the number of rows and number of columns, so you can pass a specific, suppose 2 to 10, then you need to enter comma and comma from 0 to, oh, suppose 5. So this type of things will happen. 2 to 10, it means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after 0 to 5, so 0 column, 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, and 4 column. So 5 cannot be included, as well as 10 cannot be included. So in this way you can access the specific amount of, yeah, specific number of rows and a specific number of columns according to the requirement, and you can store in simple any variable, then you can further use according to the requirement. I think this video will helpful for you.